Here is the page. Here's three options. Like first option is image. Here we can upload image. There's many formats like JPG, GIF, PNG, and second one is webcam. This is the webcam option. And third one is upload a video. The video we can use many format: MP4, MOV, AVI, MKV. Upload photo, and here is the bar. We can choose the frame, how frames it will analyze. Okay, let's test it. Go to the upload image. Here's the image here. Okay, upload it. Here's the image information. Okay, then detect object. So a person 1, confidence is 90%, and here the objective detail. We can download the result image. And detect summary. Detection summary is person count, and confidence color mode is RGB. Okay, we can use another photo like this one. This is a car photo. Okay, object detected. Here's the image details. Here is the object means car, detected successfully. Car confidence 61%, because this car is modern. Okay, so tell me in the comment section, how can I add features in the project, more features. So tell me in the comment section what features I can add in this project. Okay.